Yavapai County is the 21st largest county in the country and covers a land area about the size of New Jersey. We've got an incredibly diverse county, ranging from very high-density urbanized areas to very low-density rural areas across the whole county. Poses a lot of really unique challenges in how we have to deal with our day-to-day operations.
Prior to having CitizenServe, we would have to print out everything that we thought we might need.
So we had a legacy system prior to this, and that legacy system had been in use for over 20 years, and the system itself was just failing. On a daily basis, we saw software crashes, server issues, and it was not a modern system. Our customers were not able to submit things online to us. It was very problematic for the staff. We had records that would change themselves overnight just because of server updates. It just created nothing but headaches for us and was not the way we wanted to continue doing business.
We can really say that our design of CitizenServe was really designed by everyone in the department at the time.
We were able to offer suggestions as to what would work better for us.
CitizenServe has always been great about, especially from the very beginning, figuring out what we need and then adding things as we need them and as we figure them out.
And they make necessary changes very quickly.
And every time I put in a request, there's just a little button to type up what you need, and within usually 20 minutes they get back to you.
It was pretty seamless.
The very first weekend that CitizenServe went live for us, we had a flood that impacted over 40 homes. We had enough foresight to realize that we wanted to build disaster assessment into our CitizenServe functions. We were able to use this and very quickly create reports that helped address all of the concerns related to that disaster. We were able to get response faster, get people back into their homes quicker because we weren't waiting on a paper system. We weren't waiting on people to follow up with us. We were able to be more in the field, working with them directly on mobile devices, and that was absolutely critical to the response that we had. None of us would have expected that that would have hit us our very first weekend going live, but it did. And CitizenServe was there to help us through that and really help create that framework that really puts us as the leader in disaster response in the state of Arizona.
So we had about 6 months there before COVID actually hit of really getting used to the new software.
Again, having CitizenServe already gone through that transition, it made that virtually smooth.
We're about as busy as this department has ever been in its history right now. CitizenServe has helped us along with that because we're not dealing with paper plans anymore. We're able to do everything either from home or from the office. We're able to do work any time of the day.
For our customers to be able to access us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Being able to do it at your convenience cuts down on the stress. So this building process and permitting process and road naming process can be very stressful. And I believe that being able to have the people do it in the comfort of their own home takes that out of the equation.
It's as easy as could possibly ever be made. You just get on the computer, a couple of minutes later, you're on the road.
Cuts down on the footwork, the miscommunication, the running around, the who is, the what ifs, the coulda, shoulda, wouldas, all that's really cut out.
But what we're also seeing is a time savings. Everybody can get on and do the reviews simultaneously, so we're not waiting for one department to finish their review before the next one starts. Everybody's able to jump on the permits immediately and get them taken care of.
Anybody in either office can work on a project, and it doesn't matter where it originated from.
Being able to review things or pulling up certain documents has been extraordinarily helpful.
With one click of a parcel number, we're able to bring up several years worth of documentation that we're able to go back through and show the history of what's been done, what's been changed.
If a customer calls, you can easily tell them, oh, it looks like your plans are here, this is what you need to do, and direct them to the right person instead of having to physically get up and go figure out what's going on. So that saves time as well.
It saves a lot on handwriting.
It's as simple as click and submit.
We are really in uncharted waters right now. We're at a point where we're busier than we've ever been in the history of this department, and we're seeing growth on an unprecedented level in the county. So we're using the software really to meet those challenges as best we can, as busy as we have been.
No, I just want to commend the county staff on their support because People like myself that are not tech savvy, it's been very helpful to be able to call them up and get it worked out with them.